Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see detailed demonstration how to erase and reinstall Mac operating system, no matter for you are using Catalina, Big Sur or latest updated beta version. You can do same process for any operating system in Mac related, erase the data and reinstall. How to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start. First of all, we can restart this Mac. I just click here in the menu here, shut down. Now my laptop is totally shut down, so I restart here and then Command R. Press the Command R key simultaneously, both keys are pressing at a time. Wait couple of seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds for the pressing the key, and such kind of window is display here, means processing ongoing. You continuously press on your Command and R key. So here recovery menu is display here. Here is a properly pictures ongoing, like here. This is my admin. Select the next. I add here my password, and now here four options are come: restore from time machine, reinstall Mac OS, Safari and disk utility. So we click first of all disk utility here and click. This is my hard disk. My hard disk size is 250 gigabytes, and now I want erase the data, and here format extension, you change this extension, like here Mac OS extension, this option, click, use the OS extended, yeah, and then erase the data. Okay, done. After format and erase all data, you need to restart again the operating system. So I already restart the operating system here. Now you need to connect first of all the Wi-Fi or internet, because of the operating system by default installation in Wi-Fi or internet accessing. You can bootable pen drive and then install also, but that is the best option to connect the internet here. So simply first of all I select my Wi-Fi here. Here is my Wi-Fi. I add password. If your internet speed is quite good, installation going fast. Otherwise you can make a bootable pen drive and then install the operating system. Now Mac OS recovery, this window is display here. Add here my Apple address. If you have Apple ID, so you can your Apple ID. Now authentication successfully. Exit to recovery utilities, reinstall Mac operating system, continue. If you are facing some problem here in this option, you can just simply click on that particular hard disk, and this here option the hard disk and the error are display here in the single line. You can exit this installation and again go to the disk utility and format accordingly the specification. Now here Mac Catalina install, because of I purchased this MacBook on Catalina version, so by default the Catalina version are display here, and then automatically I can upgrade the Big Sur or beta version. I select this one and install, continue, and now take time to here showing 10 minutes, but depend upon your internet speed. You can take like a half an hour or 10 minutes. My internet speed is quite good, so I'm spending only 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the installation or download process are done. This is the installation process ongoing. After this process is done, so again your system is restart. Again this bar is complete like 100%. Again here above 11 minutes are remaining. Download and installation almost is done. This is a final process. Now almost process is done. So now is important part comes here. We can select here the country. So I select the country here, customize. I select the language preferences. You can select whatever which language you want. Keyboard here, so I select the simply here US international. I remove this Danish keyboard. Wi-Fi, need to password here Wi-Fi to add, and then next the connecting this browser, data and privacy. Don't transfer any information now. Mac time machine backup storage, so no need to any information transfer for now. I select this one, continue. Okay, I need my Apple ID. Otherwise you can create your Apple ID or purchase something media or set up later, but I add here my Apple ID. Authentication comes in my mobile number where exactly I using this Apple ID. So there one IDs come here, means verification code display. So those IDs connected on iMessenger, FaceTime and rest of application. Terms and condition, agree. Yeah, I agree. So now here your computer name is comes here, so accordingly you can change the computer name. This computer name is so big, so I just type here small one. Add your password here. Account is created here. Setting up account. Again wait couple of seconds here. Weekly report, you need to weekly report and passcode and all, otherwise set up next. Yeah, allow the Shri. If internet is available, so you can use, otherwise later, so I can use here. Hey Shri, hey Shri, open the documents folder. Hey Shri, show my downloads. Hey Shri, what's the weather like? Hey Shri, what does the reset of my day look like? Almost is done. Continue. Store file documents on iCloud. I am not store anything. Store photos, no. Just continue. If you have iCloud storage, you can access, otherwise no need to access this one. And now here thumb need. If you have this fingerprint in your Mac, so you can process here in the first steps ID. Later to continue, which you want, like light, dark or auto. So I select the light. Continue. Setting up your Mac, 3 ticks are come here, and then after your Mac is almost ready to work. So my Mac operating system almost are ready, but now I'm installing this version is like in a Catalina version, like here. So automatically here updations are come, so I install updated version here first of all, and then I install rest of software. You can use this process, format and install Mac operating system. It's quite simple. Rest of process I make number of video related to Mac, how to install, how to change bash file, and rest of information you can visit on Mac playlist and watch all videos and solve your problem. It's quite simple to format and installation using my tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.